Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the meeting organizer or owner in Outlook. Now, this can be a bit tricky because Outlook doesn't offer a direct option to switch organizers. But don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple workaround to get it done smoothly. Let's get started. First, head over to the Microsoft Outlook website and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook dashboard. From here, navigate to your calendar. You can find it by clicking the calendar icon, usually located in the top left corner. This is where all your scheduled meetings and events are stored. To change the meeting organizer, the current organizer needs to cancel the existing meeting first. So go ahead and locate the meeting you want to transfer in your calendar, then click on it to open the full details. Look for the option to cancel or delete the meeting. Once you find it, go ahead and cancel the event. This step is essential because it clears the way for a new meeting to be created under a different organizer, avoiding any confusion or duplicate events. After the meeting has been canceled, the new organizer can step in. This ensures there's no overlap between the old and new event, and it keeps everyone aligned without duplicate or conflicting invitations. It also signals clearly to all participants that a new, updated meeting will follow. The next step is for the new organizer to create a fresh meeting. They should go to their calendar, click on New Event, and recreate the meeting using the same details, such as the title, date, time, and participants. It's also a good idea to copy over any important notes, agendas, attachments, or meeting links from the original event so nothing is lost in the transition. Taking a moment to double-check these details helps maintain continuity and avoids confusion for attendees. Once they send out the new invite, the meeting is effectively re-established, this time with them as the organizer. This gives them full control over the event moving forward, including the ability to edit details, manage attendees, send updates, and respond to scheduling changes. Attendees will receive a new invite which they can accept as usual, ensuring everyone is synced with the updated meeting. And that's it! While Outlook doesn't provide a one-click way to transfer meeting ownership, this method ensures a smooth and organized transition without confusion. With just a few extra steps, you can maintain clarity, keep communication consistent, and ensure your meetings continue without disruption. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or want to see more Outlook tips, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this. I'll see you in the next video.